In this video, we'll be exploring the fundamental building blocks of every computer, the hardware components. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or a beginner, Tech Basics 101 will provide you with a comprehensive understanding of computer hardware. So, let's get started. Part 1: What is computer hardware? Before we delve into the details, let's first understand what computer hardware is. Computer hardware refers to the physical, tangible components that make up a computer system. These components work together to process data and perform tasks. Just like the organs in our body work together to keep us functioning, computer hardware enables the computer to function and carry out various tasks. Part 2: The Central Processing Unit, CPU. The heart and brain of the computer, the Central Processing Unit, or CPU, is responsible for executing instructions and performing calculations. Think of it as the command center of the computer. The CPU's processing speed, measured in gigahertz, (GHz), determines how quickly it can carry out tasks. We'll also discuss multi-core processors and their significance in modern computers. Part 3: Random Access Memory, RAM. Holding a RAM stick, RAM, or random access memory, is like the computer's short-term memory. It temporarily stores data and instructions that the CPU needs to access quickly. The more RAM a computer has, the more smoothly it can handle multiple tasks simultaneously. We'll explain the difference between RAM and storage and the concept of volatile memory. Part 4: Storage Devices. Holding an SSD and an HDD, storage devices, as the name suggests, are responsible for storing data in the long term. We'll compare the traditional hard disk drive, HDD, and the modern solid-state drive, SSD, in terms of speed, capacity, and performance. Additionally, we'll touch upon external storage options like USB drives and cloud storage. Part 5: Motherboard. The motherboard is the main circuit board that connects and allows communication between all the hardware components. It's like the nervous system of the computer, ensuring data flow and coordination. We'll discuss the various components found on the motherboard, such as CPU and RAM slots, expansion slots, and connectors. Part 6: Graphics Processing Unit, GPU. The Graphics Processing Unit, or GPU, is responsible for handling graphics-intensive tasks, like gaming, video editing, and 3D rendering. It takes the workload off the CPU and has its dedicated video memory. We'll talk about integrated versus dedicated GPUs and their significance in modern computing. Part 7: Input and Output Devices. Demonstrating different input and output devices. Input and output devices are how we interact with computers. We'll explore popular input devices like keyboards, mice, touchpads, and even touchscreens. Then, we'll discuss output devices like monitors, printers, and speakers, which display or produce the results of the computer's processing. Part 8: Power Supply and Cooling System. The Power Supply Unit, PSU, provides electricity to all the components, converting it from the wall outlet to the appropriate voltage. We'll also touch on the cooling system, including fans and heat sinks, which prevent the hardware from overheating during heavy usage. And there you have it, a thorough exploration of the essential hardware components that form the backbone of every computer. Understanding these components is crucial for anyone interested in technology or seeking to build their computer. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. Thanks for watching.